Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. How green trucking solutions are driving the future of transportation. The trucking industry has long been a cornerstone of commerce, but it comes with a heavy environmental cost. Diesel-powered trucks are one of the biggest contributors to carbon emissions, leaving companies and policymakers searching for better solutions. Green trucking offers a way forward by focusing on cleaner energy, smarter technology, and sustainable practices. These innovations aren't just helping the planet, they're reshaping how the industry operates. The environmental impact of traditional trucking. The trucking industry has been the backbone of the supply chain for decades, but it comes at a steep environmental cost. Diesel-powered trucks continue to have a lasting impact on the climate, air quality, and our reliance on finite energy resources. While they keep goods moving, the side effects of traditional trucking contribute to issues that ripple far beyond the road. Carbon emissions from diesel trucks. Diesel engines have powered the trucking industry for generations, but they emit staggering amounts of carbon dioxide, CO2. How much? A single heavy-duty truck can produce tens of metric tons of CO2 annually, depending on how many miles it drives. Globally, these emissions make transportation one of the largest contributors to climate change. The process is straightforward yet harmful. Diesel fuel combusts to generate energy, releasing CO2 as a byproduct. Unlike other pollutants, CO2 traps heat in the atmosphere, acting like a blanket that warms the planet. The more trucks on the road, the thicker this blanket gets, pushing us closer to a climate tipping point. Considering that the trucking industry is essential for transporting goods across long distances, it's clear why finding alternatives to diesel trucks has become a priority. But until cleaner options become widespread, these vehicles remain a key source of greenhouse gas emissions, and a major challenge for sustainability efforts. Air pollution and health concerns. Carbon dioxide isn't the only problem. Traditional diesel trucks also release particulate matter, PM, and nitrogen oxides, NOx, pollutants that can severely degrade air quality. If you've ever noticed the black plumes trailing behind a truck, that's just a small glimpse of what's being pumped into the environment. For communities near highways and major trucking corridors, this pollution isn't just an inconvenience, it's a health risk. Breathing in particulate matter can worsen asthma, contribute to heart disease, and even lead to premature death. Children and the elderly are especially vulnerable. Nitrogen oxides, another byproduct of diesel engines, also play a role in forming ground-level ozone, smog. This can irritate the lungs and trigger long-term respiratory issues like chronic bronchitis. So while goods are being delivered to stores, the air many people breathe is often tainted by the invisible aftermath of that transportation. In a way, traditional trucking acts like a double-edged sword. While enabling commerce, it quietly harms the communities around it. Addressing these air quality concerns involves more than just improving truck designs, it's about prioritizing public health alongside innovation. Dependence on fossil fuels. Diesel trucks don't just run on fuel, they run on a finite resource that gets more expensive and harder to extract over time. Fossil fuels, including diesel, are non-renewable, meaning that every gallon burned is one less for future generations. This dependence creates several challenges. For starters, the cost of diesel can fluctuate wildly based on geopolitics and resource availability, putting strain on trucking companies and, ultimately, consumers. A spike in fuel prices often means higher transportation costs, which can affect everything from produce prices to online shopping fees. Additionally, extracting, refining, and transporting oil is an energy-intensive process that further damages ecosystems. Oil spills, pipeline leaks, and habitat destruction are just a few of the environmental scars left behind. Traditional trucking's reliance on oil keeps us locked into this destructive cycle, delaying the shift to renewable energy. Without a move toward alternative fuels or electrification, the industry faces long-term economic and environmental risks that can't be ignored. By breaking this cycle and adopting sustainable solutions, the trucking industry has the chance to transform from a contributor to environmental harm into a force for ecological progress. Defining green trucking solutions. Green trucking solutions are reshaping the transportation industry, offering methods and technologies to reduce environmental impact while improving efficiency. These solutions are not only about adopting new vehicles but also utilizing smarter fuels, advanced technologies, and better operational strategies. Let's explore some of the key components driving the transition toward a greener future. That's it for Part 1. Join us in Part 2, where we'll look at the biggest challenges and exciting advancements in green trucking. Stay tuned. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.